Early on, we realized we had a unique opportunity with thousands of acres of land in a tax haven state with a great climate, all within a city recognized throughout the world. It would have been a real shame if we didn't do something special. And we landed on a vision, which was to create the ideal place, really a city of our dreams that inspires human potential through innovative collaboration.
View Smart Windows, like so many of our partners, are integral to the continued growth and success of not just Lake Nona, but smart cities across the globe, showcasing how the future of technology can be implemented and have real tangible benefits. We are so excited to feature their technology in so many different buildings across the entire community. And this is just the beginning. We have 30 additional buildings in the pipeline, so there's much more runway to come, and we hope that as people come here and they see it, they'll want to take that back to their own businesses and their lives.
If I'm a head of real estate, what I'm looking for is space that can allow my employees to be productive, increase their performance, and then on the flip side, how do I draw that talent pool? I want to be able to recruit, I also want to retain. And you look at something like Lake Nona, that's why it's so successful as a community. It's because you've got these places to live, all different types of real estate. But it's all about sort of this health and wellness that's embedded in the real estate. It's all about productivity and being healthy. You don't move there because you're healthy, it's just the effect of being there.
Traditionally, builders have looked at windows as a commoditized component of a wall. View helped us realize that a window can actually help humans thrive in their environment. My expectation is that View's technology will forever change the way that people put up barriers between themselves and the outdoors. Microsoft changed the world with their interpretation of Windows. I think View's technology is equally exciting.